Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Mac Wheels. First of all, whenever you choose a car, you are not just choosing style or you're choosing performance. You are also choosing safety. And now with the new Kia Seltos 2026, it stands stronger than before with a 5-star safety rating. Well, the Kia Seltos has always been known for its bold design and premium feel. But now it adds something even more important: top-tier safety. It is tested under stringent global safety standards. The Seltos has now achieved an impressive 5-star safety rating. Its high-strength steel structure is engineered to absorb impacts and protect passengers in critical situations. Now, talking about safety, it isn't always about surviving an accident. It's about preventing one as well. That's why the new Seltos comes equipped with advanced safety features like multiple airbags, advanced driver assist systems, that's called the ADAS, electronic stability control, 360-degree camera and park assist. Because at the end of the day, it's not just about the drive, it's about the people sitting beside you. With style, performance and now proven 5-star safety, the Kia Seltos is more than just an SUV. It's your everyday protection. Every journey matters, and every life inside the car matters even more. The Kia Seltos does not just take you places, it protects what truly matters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mac Wheels. Also, for more real-world car reviews, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, drive safe and take care.